Inhaling to look forward and exhaling to round it in. Great. Inhale, slowly roll through the left foot. And we'll send the right hand to the earth, left thumb to the left hip crease, pull it back. So you find your nice alignment. So this left shin is stacked. We're gonna use this throughout the whole journey. And we start to spiral, big twist in the spine, spiral the heart up, maybe the gaze up. I'm pressing away from my yoga mat with my right hand. I'm not clenching my left toes. I'm breathing, the neck is nice and long. Maybe I send the left fingertips up towards the sky, opening up through the chest, the scapula, side body. And maybe I curl the right toes under, inhale in, exhale, lifting the back knee up. Tuck the chin slightly. Stay positive, stay present. Stay one. Just building a really beautiful foundation with integrity. Good. Inhale, big wide breath. And exhale to bring it all the way down. Whew, awesome. Plant the palms. Here we go. Step it back. So we are in a plank, and you know, the thing is we're never really holding in a plank or a half plank because we're breathing, we're letting the breath move us. So top of the plank here, heels are reaching back. Whether the knees are lowered or lifted, we're all working to keep the neck nice and long, tugging the shoulders away from the ears, maybe sending your gaze out just a little bit in front. We're here for 3, breathe deep, hug the low ribs in, 2, and 1, slowly lower all the way to the belly. Inhale in, let out a sigh if you need to. Bring the hands in line with the rib cage, hug the elbows in. Just 1 Bhujangasana here. Inhale to open the heart, look forward, soften your gaze. Maybe coming a little bit higher, and then using your exhale to follow the breath down. Lovely. From here, curl the toes under, nice and easy. Keep it nice and low. We're going to come to all fours, tabletop position. Then we'll cross one ankle over the other, and we'll use the hands to guide us all the way back through to a nice cross-legged seat. When you get there, interlace your fingertips. Then you're going to press the palms forward, up and back. Big breath in. Exhale, release it down. We're going to flip the palms so they're facing you. Then you're going to take one thumb to the center of the palm and you're just going to give it a little massage. Little self-massage. This is something you can do at nighttime as you're going on this journey. You're going to be on your hands a little bit more maybe than normal. Be patient with your wrists and the hands. They will adapt. We will be mindful. Everyone's different, of course. Okay, let's switch opposite thumb to opposite palm. But yeah, you're going to be feeling some things. So try not to give up. Try to stick with it. I'll give some modifications too for people who do want to tend to some fussy wrists. But this is a great move that I wanted to share with you on day 1 so that you could do it on your own in the shower or the bath with some soap. Hey yo, first heyo of the journey. Excuse me, but in all seriousness, this is a great thing to do with a little lotion or a little soap, washing your hands, keeping them clean, seems relevant. Or maybe, yeah, in bed. You guys know what I'm saying. Okay, this is great. So after a little self-massage, let's take one more breath to press the palms forward, lift it up and back, and see if you can really feel the rib cage expand here as you breathe in. And those back ribs expanding and softening as you breathe out. Good, then we'll just release this, release it all, and come on down to the ground. We are almost done with this beautiful day 1 practice. Hi, Benji. All right, if you have a blanket or a towel, keep it handy. We're gonna bring it underneath the backs of the knees, optional, of course, in a moment, but come on down to the ground. When you get there, bend the knees, walk the heels close up towards the bum. Plant the palms on the earth, root through all four corners of the feet. And here we go, a little bridge pose. Lifting the hips up high, nice and slow as you're ready. This isn't going to be a huge bridge pose, so just a little one here to start. We'll grow this throughout the journey. Lifting the hip points up. Think about your shins moving forward. And maybe we interlace the fingertips, draw the shoulder blades together. If it doesn't feel right for your body, let's go ahead and hold off on that. Breathing deep here. And the last action is to lift the chest toward the chin and then lift the chin up towards the sky. So chest to chin, chin to sky. Take a deep breath in. And on the exhale, follow the breath all the way down. Beautiful. Walk the feet together, open the knees wide. Bring your hands to rest on the belly here. Close your eyes and invite your awareness to your belly. Feel the warmth of your hands on the belly. Let gravity do the work here in this final hip opener. So thighs are nice and heavy. Tuck the chin, lengthen through the back of the neck, and take a deep breath in, fill the belly, so feel the hands maybe even rise and fall as you exhale. We'll definitely be getting into more belly breathing, more diaphragmatic breath work. But for now, just give it a couple little passes, feeling the belly rise, perhaps as you breathe in and fall as you breathe out. And then bringing the fingertips to the outer edge of the legs, outer edges of the legs, hug the knees into the chest. Wrap the arms around the shins and give yourself a big hug here. Rock a little side to side, massaging the low back, stretching through the glutes. Relax your shoulders, soften through your jaw. And then slowly let the feet come to the earth with a little thud. And if that felt good, you can do it a couple more times. And then we'll extend one leg and then the other. And allow the hands to rest gently at our sides. Relaxing the weight of the body fully now into the earth for the final posture, the corpse pose. Take a second to maybe lick your lips. I know it's silly, but lick the lips and then intentionally relax the tongue and the base of the mouth. Close your eyes and soften the skin of the forehead. And I invite you to just take a quick moment here to see what happens when you invite yourself to let go. Easier said than done, I know, but that's why we're here to practice. Can you give yourself even just a moment, an invitation to do absolutely nothing? Let your breath return to just a natural rhythm, natural flow. Letting go of any areas where you might be holding or clenching. Inviting the body, the mind, and your spirit or your heart for a second here to just be in existence. gently invite your awareness back to your breath. Notice how you feel about that. Embarking on a journey for yourself where on day one, the entire premise is an invitation. I can't wait to see where it goes. As you continue to gently deepen the breath, invite a little energy, a little movement back to the fingertips and toes, then the ankles and the wrists. And then we'll lift one knee up and then the other. Turn onto one side, little fetal position moment. Hold me. Just kidding. And then press all the way up to a nice seat. Bring the hands together at the heart space. Just a quiet moment here with the palms in prayer to say thank you. First to yourself for showing up here, saying yes to this journey. And then just a little nod to one another. Thank you so much for joining me and sharing this connection with so many people around the world. I hope that it is a fun and meaningful story that you write in the next 30 days. I'll be here to guide you, and it is my honor and pleasure. So on that note, one final big inhale in together. And exhale together. We bow the head to the heart. And there's an invitation here to whisper, Namaste. Thanks, everyone. I'll see you tomorrow.